As the executor, administrator, or trustee who has just inherited property, what do I do now? That's our topic today. We'll get started right after this. You might be grateful that your loved one left you this gift, and you might be in grief, or both. And along with this gift of a property, it comes along a lot of questions and decisions. Don't worry, because we've got you covered. In this video, we'll talk through the step-by-step guide on what to do after inheriting a house. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kim Ward, an over 2 decades expert helping executors, administrators, and trustees through the often complex process of preparing, marketing, and successfully selling homes in probate or a trust in San Diego. And we're diving into a topic that many of you might find yourselves in at some point, inheriting a house. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and to be notified of our weekly videos, just hit the bell button. Now let's get started. Now that you've inherited a house, it might feel overwhelming, but take a deep breath. We'll break down the process into manageable steps to help you navigate this complex journey. Step 1, gather important documents. The first thing you'll want to do is locate and gather all the important documents related to the inheritance. This may include the will, any probate documents, and the property deed. These documents will serve as a foundation for the entire process. Step 2, determine ownership. Now that you have the documents, it's important to establish ownership and beneficiaries of the property. This might involve legal processes such as probate, especially if the will isn't straightforward, or if there isn't a will, or if there are multiple beneficiaries. Step 3, evaluate the property. Once ownership is clear, it's time to assess the condition and value of the property. Consider hiring a professional appraiser to get an accurate date of death valuation. This will be helpful for tax purposes and making informed decisions. Step 4, decide what to do. Now comes the exciting part, deciding what to do with the inherited house. You have a few options. Keep the property. If the property holds sentimental value, or if you see potential for rental income or future use, you might want to keep it. Next is sell the property. Selling might be the right choice if you need the funds or the property requires significant repairs, or if you're not interested in managing real estate. Or rent the property. Turning the house into a rental property could provide a steady, semi-passive income stream, but it comes with responsibilities as a landlord. Step 5, address legal and financial aspects depending on your decision. There are legal and financial steps to take. If you're selling, you'll need to work with a real estate agent, preferably someone that is well-versed with selling homes in an estate. You'll need to prepare the property for sale and handle the transaction. If you're renting, you'll need to show the property, review applications and credit reports, draft a lease agreement, and familiarize yourself with the landlord regulations in the area of the home, or hire and pay a property management company. Step 6, property management. If you decide to keep the property or rent it out, managing the property, of course, is crucial. You might choose to handle this yourself, or again, hire a property management company to take care of the maintenance, the tenant interactions, and more. Step 7, tax implications. Taxes. The one thing we can't escape. Inheriting a house can have some tax implications, including property taxes substantially increasing from the often low property taxes of the decedent, and in some circumstances, potential capital gains tax upon sale. We highly recommend that you consult a tax professional to understand your obligations and potential deductions. Step 8, emotional considerations. In all the practical steps, don't forget to consider the emotional side. Inheriting a house might bring up memories and feelings. Take your time and make decisions that align with your feelings and your goals. And there you have it, your complete guide to what to do after inheriting a house. Remember, this journey might seem overwhelming, but with careful planning and consideration, you'll navigate it successfully. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Remember that we're not a financial or legal experts. It's important for you to consult professionals to make the best decisions for your unique situation. As always, thanks for watching.